In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed chat on Google Sites. If you've been wanting to add a chat feature to your Google site to enhance user interaction, you're in the right place. This can be incredibly useful for engaging with visitors, providing immediate support, or simply making your site more interactive. First, head over to Elfsight. This platform offers a variety of widgets, but today we're focusing on how to integrate a chat feature. Once you are on their website, locate and click on the catalog. This is where you'll find an array of widgets that can be added to your site. In the search bar of the catalog, type the word chat. This will filter the results and help you find the widget we need more efficiently. Look through the options and select all-in-one chat. This widget is versatile, supporting multiple chat platforms all in one place, which is perfect for catering to different communication needs on your site. After selecting the all-in-one chat widget, it's time to choose a template that suits your style and needs. This allows you to customize the look and functionality of the chat feature. Once you choose a template, click on Continue with this template to proceed. Next, you will need to connect the chat options to your respective accounts, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook, for example. This ensures that any messages sent through your site will be directed to the correct platform and account, allowing you to manage communications effectively. Once your accounts are connected, hit the Publish button. This saves your setting and provides the code you'll need to embed the chat into your Google site. Before copying the code, select the free plan if you want to proceed without any costs involved. This option provides basic functionality that's often sufficient for many users. Now click on Copy Code. This option equips you with the snippet you'll insert into your Google site. With the code copied, navigate to your Google site. Find and click on the Embed option. You'll see a prompt for inserting your code. Select Embed Code and in the provided field paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Once pasted, click on Next, then Insert. This step finalizes the embedding process and integrates the chat widget into your site. After following these steps, your Google site will now feature a fully functional chat interface. This new addition can significantly improve visitor interaction and streamline communication through your site. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide enhances your Google site experience.